Bonnie. I am back. Happy Thursday. Happy April 1st. I'm ready for spring again. So I'm so excited to share this with you. So I am now part of the Ipsy Open Studios, which means that Ipsy is now sending me the Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag each month. And they sent me a couple of other little extra things that I'm going to share with you. So thank you, Ipsy, for sending these. The theme for April is Force of Nature. How pretty is this? Definitely looks springy. It says this month we're celebrating products, practices, and looks that let your natural beauty shine. So I'm actually going to dive into the big bag first. I'm excited. The Ipsy Plus bag. This one has $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size beauty products. You can customize 3 of them. So I don't actually customize mine because it's part of the Ipsy Open Studios, but I'm pretty excited with what I got. So check this out. So I have my 5 free products that I'm going to show you. And then Ipsy also sent me, check this out. They sent me an umbrella. How awesome is that? An awesome Ipsy umbrella. I'm so excited about this. I use umbrellas a lot. It's always raining here, like in the spring. So they're going to see me coming with my Ipsy yellow umbrella. I'm not opening that in the house. I feel like that could be bad luck to open an umbrella in the house, but I'm excited about my umbrella. And then I also got this awesome hat. I know I'm going to mess up my hair. I love this hat. Oh my gosh. You know me and my hats. I absolutely love any type of hat with a brim. Check this out. It says Force of Nature. Because you know me, I'm always on the beach looking for beach class, and this one fits in really nicely because it's kind of got a beach theme, so I'm so excited about that hat. So thank you, Ipsy, for that. It comes in this cute little bag. To me, this feels like, it almost seems like an aquatic, like underwater scene with some lips there. I'm really loving this little drawstring bag, though. I'm actually thinking of using this for beach glass, because you know how like I said, collect beach glass all the time. This is the perfect beach glassing bag. So I'm excited about the bag. So what did I get in the Glam Bag Plus bag? First up, I got the Victoria Beckham. This is the Future Lash Smudge-Free Lifting Mascara. Super excited about this. I've not tried these products yet, but I love a good mascara. And this one is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at the case on this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Very sleek looking. Let me see the wand on this one. I'm excited to try out this mascara. Looks like it has a little bit of a curve on it, which I like. I love mascara. I do not leave the house without my mascara. So I'm going to be testing that out. Then I got a shampoo bar. I got the Argan Oil Control and Soften from Soap Hope. You know me, I love a good shampoo bar. Shampoo bars are awesome. If you have not tried one, I recommend trying a shampoo bar. They're so easy to use, especially like if you're traveling or you're at, a gym or something, or an outdoor, camping. They're really easy to use. I'm a huge fan of shampoo bars. Next up, from Thrive Cosmetics, I got the Lip Fuller Lip Liner. This one looks pretty. It's kind of like a raisin shade. I love anything with like a mauve-y raisin. I usually always wear a lip liner. Ooh, check that out. That's pretty. That's like my signature color. Kind of wearing that right now. But I'm not even going to attempt to put this on now because I'm going to smudge my lipstick. But I got a lip liner. Oh my gosh, this is a really good bag. I also got, what is this? This is the Light Sauce Balancing Gel Moisturizer from Item. Is that the company? Made it. Oh, it's Korean Beauty. Oh, this is awesome. Can't wait to try this. I've heard of this. I've seen this. So, check it out. It looks like this, and it's got a pump on it. Let me just pump a little bit of this out. Ooh, this is nice. No scent whatsoever, which is nice. But it's a balancing gel moisturizer for oily and combo skin, which is perfect for me because despite the fact that I'm 51 years old, I have oily skin. Actually, I have combination skin. I get dry spots, I get oil. So I will definitely try this out. I'm going to try and review some of this stuff too and put it on my blog, my Queen of the Girl Geeks. I need to start writing more. I was really good at writing years ago when I only had my blog, and then I started vlogging and I stopped writing, but I love to write. And then check this out. Look at how pretty this is. This is the, who makes this? I can't read it quite. I'm going to open this up because for some reason I can't see the front of the packaging. It's very pretty though. Ooh. I love anything sparkly. You guys know that of me. This is, it's the Bell, I'm gonna botch the name. Bell and Argent. Look at that. Oh my gosh. There we go. It's reflecting so much. Look at that. Okay. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Super pretty though. Look at this. These are like shades that I would definitely wear. Check this one out. Oops, right here. This is like a metallic purple shade. Oh, these are nice. This is like really pigmented. Super pretty. Oops, my arm's off the screen. There we go. So I'm excited about that one. That shade is called, you know what? It's funny because they've got this little piece of paper up here that's supposed to be down here. There we go. Can you see that? It's called Production. I'm excited about this. This is nice. Nice little eyeshadow palette. So that is the Glam Bag Plus. So next we're going to do the Glam Bag. Check this out. I always love the Ipsy bags. I think they're really nice. I always switch off, put them in my purse as a makeup case. This one's got a really pretty orange liner inside. So I'm just going to take out my 5 deluxe samples. It's funny because I feel like the Ipsy samples, I haven't had Ipsy in a while. I used to get the bag a long time ago. It's $12 a month, and I feel like the samples are a lot bigger than they were, which is nice. Look at this. This feels like a really large sample. This is a turmeric and vitamin C clay mask from You Glow Girl. It's Australian, vegan, and cruelty-free. I will definitely try this out. I will be posting a lot of this stuff on Instagram, too, so you can see the photos. This is the Dr. Botanicals, watermelon, superfood 2-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover. Oh my gosh, you know me and watermelon. I'm keeping this. I love watermelon. Oh, that smells amazing too. It's all bubbly. A watermelon cleanser. Okay, I'm all about that. Then we got the Lauren Conrad lip gloss. Does it have the shade on here? Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. In Dawn. I'm like, I cannot. Look at how tiny this is. I can't read that very well. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of like a brick shade. I always like the nice brick shades. Put a little bit of this on. I don't think this has a scent to it. It's pretty though. Look at that. I kind of perked up. And then we have from Nomad, Sydney Bathers. This is the Balmoral Beach. It's a smooth, blendable, buildable powder pink highlighter. Kiss of Sun. Oh, that's pretty. I love a good highlighter in the summer. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm definitely on board with highlighters. Let me see. Oh, that's cute. I like these little cute things too. I love cute little makeup. Look at that, how adorable that is. Look. I'm going to try a little bit. This is pretty. Ooh. Wow, that is like really bright. It's a lot prettier on my skin than you can see on camera. This is cute though. And then from the First Aid, check this out. These are facial radiance pads. It's funny because I was just looking at these recently. They help exfoliate, tone, and brighten, alcohol-free, safe for skin. There are 10 pads in here. I can't wait to try these, actually. I am a huge fan of, like, using a toner or anything like that, so I've been actually eyeing these. So I'm actually excited that I got that. So that was good. So I feel like this was definitely worth $12 this month. I'm excited. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for accepting me into the Open Studios program. I can't wait to show you what Ipsy has each month. And like I said, this one is called force of nature. Look at that. I'm so excited about my hat and my bag too. I'm gonna put my hat on one more time. Look at this. This is awesome. I am so ready for the beach. Look at this. I look like a tourist. Especially with my scarf on, but I'm so excited to use this as a beach glassing bag. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Now my hair's all crazy. My hair's been doing weird stuff today anyway. Happy April 1st. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.